addition. Hello children! In the previous classes, you have read a lot about addition. Do you remember all the basic terms related to addition? Addition means putting things together. When we add two or more numbers, the result so obtained is called the sum. Also, the numbers added are called addends. For example, if we add 4, 7 and 15, we get 26, which is called the sum of 4, 7 and 15. Here, 4, 7 and 15 are called addends. In the previous class, we have learnt how to add 4-digit numbers. Let us see how to add 5-digit numbers. Adding larger numbers is just like adding the smaller ones. Let us add 25143 and 43702. We first arrange the numbers in columns. Add ones. 3 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 5 ones. Write 5 in the ones place. Now add the tens. 4 tens plus 0 tens is equal to 4 tens. Write 4 in the tens place. Add the hundreds now. 100 plus 7 hundreds is equal to 8 hundreds. Write 8 in the hundreds place. Add the thousands. 5 thousands plus 3 thousands is equal to 8 thousands. Write 8 in the thousands place. Finally, add the 10 thousands. 2 10,000s plus 4 10,000s is equal to 6 10,000s. So we write 6 in the 10,000s place. So 25143 plus 43702 is equal to 68845. In the same way, we add 6-digit numbers. Keep in mind, we always start adding from extreme right or the ones place. Let us find 603124 plus 241651. As usual, we arrange the numbers in columns. Next, we start adding the ones digits. 4 ones plus 1 1 is equal to 5 ones. Write 5 in the ones column. Add tens. 2 tens plus 5 tens is equal to 7 tens. Write 7 in the tens place. Add hundreds. 100 plus 600 is equal to 700s. Write 7 in the hundreds place. Add thousands. 3000 plus 1000 is equal to 4000s. Write 4 in the thousands place. Add 10,000s. 0 10,000s plus 4 10,000s is equal to 4 10,000s. So write 4 in the 10,000s place. Finally, add the lakhs. 6 lakhs plus 2 lakhs is equal to 8 lakhs. Write 8 in the lakhs column. Thus, the sum of 603124 and 241651 is 844775. In the examples shown here, regrouping was not involved. Now let us discuss the sums where regrouping is needed. Let us add 23584 and 8064. First, arrange the numbers in columns. Add ones. 4 ones plus 4 ones is equal to 8 ones. Write 8 in the ones place. Add tens. 8 tens plus 6 tens is equal to 14 tens. We regroup 14 tens as 104 tens. So write 4 in the tens column and carry over 1 to hundreds column. Add hundreds. 100 carried plus 500s plus 0 hundreds is equal to 6 hundreds. Write 6 in the hundreds column. Add thousands now. 3 thousands plus 8,000 is equal to 11 thousands. 11 thousands is equal to 110,000 plus 1,000. So, we write 1 in the thousands column and carry over 1 to the 10,000s column. Finally, add the 10,000s. 1 10,000 carried plus 2 10,000s is equal to 3 10,000s. So, write 3 in the 10,000s place. Thus, the sum of 23584 and 8064 is 31648. Let us now add 3 6-digit numbers. Arrange the numbers in columns. Add the ones digits. 1 1 plus 6 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 12 ones. This is equal to 110, 2 ones. So we write 2 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Add tens. 110 carried over plus 2 tens plus 3 tens plus 4 tens is equal to 10 tens, which is equal to 100 0 tens. So we write 0 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Add hundreds. 100 carried plus 800s plus 400s plus 800s is equal to 21 hundreds, which is equal to 2,100. So we write 1 in the hundreds column and carry over 2 to the thousands column. Add thousands. 2 thousands carried plus 3 thousands plus 5 thousands plus 7 thousands is equal to 17 thousands, which is equal to 110,000 plus 7 thousands. So we write 7 in the thousands column and carry over 1 to the 10,000s column. Add 10 thousands. 1 10,000s carried plus 7 10,000s plus 8 10,000s plus 3 10,000s is equal to 19 10,000s, which is equal to 1,09 10,000s. So we write 9 in the 10,000s column and carry over 1 to the lakhs column. Finally, you add the lakhs. 1 lakh carried plus 4 lakhs plus 2 lakhs plus 1 lakhs is equal to 8 lakhs. Write 8 in the lakhs column. So the sum of 473821, 285436 and 137845 is 897102.